Sabi dito in James chapter 1 verse 22, do not merely listen to the word and so deceive yourself. Do what it says. Do not us be deceived in this world. We are not just here as a Christian to pray. We are called to move. As you can see, maraming mga Christian are nagiging successful not because they pray, but they become successful because they follow God's instruction. They know what to do because they listen. So they listen to the word of God through devotion, through prayer, and through worshiping, because God will speak to you and gives instruction to do what is the next step. God won't be give you the whole picture, but God will give you step by step instruction. All we have to do as a Christian to be more obedient